Okay, referee, Coach Aurelio Hamili going over the rules for the fighters. This is the fourth bout of this afternoon. This is Hitino in the red gloves versus Cedillo in the blue gloves. Okay. Okay, si Cedillo walang patawad but Hitino is defending very well, covering up with a high guard. Okay. Cedillo is really aggressive, but after which he goes away, no? Making sure na hindi maka-counter si Hitino. Okay. Hitino is covering up very well, but Cedillo is trying to attack also. Okay, they are being tentative now. Okay, end of round 1. Okay, si Hitino nasulbarya na ang pagkalaba sang kamot ni Cedillo. Nagasulod na siya. Ara na. Okay, pero gabato man si Cedillo. Okay, gasulod na, gasulod. Okay, gasulod si Hitino. Gadipinsa naman si Cedillo. Okay.
Hindi na magsumbag, palapitan ay.
So this is a good contrast, no? Laba kamot kontra sa madubo. So hampang layo kag hampang lapit.
Pareha lang.
This is the sweet science of boxing. Charging forward. Okay, si Cedillo nagbalos. Time. End of round 2. This is the last round, last round. Okay. Okay, for the fourth bout this afternoon, winner is blue corner, Cedillo, Akira Cedillo.